ashes smeared all over his body.
शिवो किमयमत्र शिवो किमयमत्र शिवो किमयमत्र शिवो जडाभसितो ज्वलाकृति शिवो जडाभसितो ज्वलाकृतिराजते भुवनमिव मम देहमेष निमीलिते क्षणमीक्षते भुवनमिव मम देहमेष क्षणमीक्षते किमयमत्र शिवो शिवो
Shiva, unable to forget Sati, is in a vortex of sorrow. He tries to meditate, to withdraw his senses from the world around him, the world that allowed him to succumb to his emotions.